we're at the Gulf and we're in front of one of these mangrove trees, perhaps. Each one of these is like, what you can see is like a snorkel, but Grace is going to tell us more about them.
These here are called pneumatophores. They're attached, underneath here is the tree's roots, and they come up here so that the tree can breathe in the high tide. So each one of these little stalks, the pneumatophores, sucks in air so that the tree doesn't drown when the tide comes in. And you can see over here, each of these lines of pneumatophores is actually the way that the roots have spread out from the tree, so that you can see two distinct lines here, which cross over and then move out.
And of course, they create a really sort of rhizomic effect, and Burke and Will's trying to get through a situation like this where there's mangrove tree after the next, after the next, after the next. It just becomes really impossible.
The sand here, we've also noticed, is extremely spongy. It must have a lot of sediment in it because you almost sink into it when you're walking around the pneumatophores.
And it's actually interesting because just up above us here, we're going to go further up the beach now, and we've found all of these sediments that are as hard as concrete, and they're made up of virtually nothing.